On this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, I wish Happy Teachers' Day to all the teachers and the students, those who have performed the student role of student teacher for today's program. Dear teachers, I know very well that you people are trying to reach to the students in such kind of critical situations also, and I have full faith that you will give best to the students. And dear students, you also please be concentrate on the lectures which is given by the teachers for you, because though the situation is not in our control, but learning should not be stopped at any cost.
Happy Teachers' Day to one and all. It's a special day for us as we all are celebrating the birthday of Dr. Radhakrishnan. So I wish all the teachers who are working very hard and sincerely in the time of pandemic and also working day and night for the welfare of the students, and learning is going on to the home of the learner. So this year, especially this year, is a year where learning on school is going to the student. So I wish all the dear teachers who are working very hard, very happy Teachers' Day, and all of them who are contributing to the cause of education and learning. I wish all happy learning, and once again happy Teachers' Day to one and all.
अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। हमारे ज्ञान चक्षुओं को खोलने वाले, हमें सशक्त बनाने वाले, हमें ज्ञान देने वाले सभी गुरुओं को, सभी शिक्षकों को आज के इस शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज हमारी वाणी जो भी बोल सकती है या हमारी लेखनी जो भी लिख सकती है, हम विचार कर सकते हैं, चिंतन कर सकते हैं, उसके पीछे निश्चित रूप से किसी न किसी शिक्षक और गुरु की प्रेरणा है। उनका विश्वास था हम में, इसीलिए आज हम किसी काबिल बन सके और भविष्य में भी हर बच्चा किसी न किसी गुरु के, किसी न किसी शिक्षक के सहारे ही उन्नति के पथ पर आगे बढ़ता रहेगा। एक बार पुनः शिक्षक दिवस की सभी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
The special gift for learning and the heart that deeply cares. You add a lot of love to everything you care, and even though you mean a lot, you'll never know how much for you help to change the world through every life you touch. Good morning, this is Riddhi Devri of class 12 science, playing a role of our honorable principal B.A. Londe sir. Would like to wish all of you a very happy Teachers' Day. So, this is a special occasion when students across the country celebrate, pay respect and express gratitude to their teachers who are the backbone of the country. It is a well-known fact that every year Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of September in the memory of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was the second President of India and a teacher par excellence. There are many relations that exist, but the relation between a teacher and a student is beyond every other relation. So was the relation between our respected principal B.A. Londe sir and our students. Our first thanks goes to him. He is the one who is the sources of all inspiration, who always gives us keeping the future in mind and preparing us to face all the challenges in life with more positive way. We also take immense pleasure in thanking our Vice Principal, Samta Ma'am, for her constant guidance throughout. Alas, our guiding stars, our teachers, they are the role models to the young generation. They affect the heart of every child. It is the tireless effort of all the teachers that make success possible. So are the teachers of our school, KVISP. I appreciate the efforts of the teachers and assure them that they will always occupy a special space in our hearts. We cannot repay what they have done for us. We can only thank them for their efforts. We promise to be good students, and one day all of us will make them proud. Thank you.
A very good morning to one and all virtually present here. On behalf of all the students, it is my great privilege to wish all our mentors a very happy Teachers' Day. The ongoing pandemic has turned our lives upside down. Yet in these times, our teachers really came through for us. We cannot go back to our schools right now, but they brought the school to us. In this challenging situation, The teachers have been our lockdown mentors. They have been working effortlessly to teach us. They have provided us unwavering support. I would like to take this opportunity to thank every teacher who has been our guiding force in lockdown. Thank you for working selflessly to build our future, for being the guiding light that brightens our lives, for being a blessing in disguise, for showing us the right path, and for always being there in all our troubles, whether academic or personal. I am proud to say that we are cultivated by the finest gardeners. They have not only taught us a new way to learn, but also motivated us during the lockdown. To our teachers, I pray for their well-being and shower immense respect to them today and always. Thank you.
A very good morning to Principal Sir and teachers. My name is Shubham Awad of class 12th Science, and I am going to deliver a short speech on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Today's day is a special day for all of us, where we can pay a hearty tribute to our dear teachers who take untiring efforts to build our future. A teacher is a friend and guide of our life, who also imparts good values in us. Teachers take their best efforts to turn the students into responsible citizens. Teachers play a very important role in each one of our lives. Teachers push us to attain our motivation and understand without the need to tell them. Teachers are like magicians who use their magic wands to help us and make our lives easier and more fruitful. The most important thing we must follow is to revere and value our incredible teachers. They have been our guiding spirits and role models, and we are grateful to them. In the last, I would like to thank every teacher who has been a guiding force during lockdown. You have not only taught us to new way to learn, but also motivated us during the lockdown. Thank you.
The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. They are the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that our future is bright for all of us. On this beautiful occasion of Teachers' Day, which is celebrated on 5th September every year on birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, I, Kirtika Prasad, got an opportunity to play a role of a student teacher. But teaching is not an easy task. It has truly a rewarding experience. It has always been considered as the most sacred, noble, and exciting profession. On this day, we should convey our wishes to all our teachers who have given us a lot of contribution in shaping us and our life. There is a saying that teachers are greater than the parents. Parents give birth to a child, whereas teacher mold the child's personality and provides us a brighter future. Apart from academics, they stand by us at every step to guide, cooperate, and motivate to become a good person. A teacher is a compass that activates the magnet of curiosity, knowledge, and wisdom in pupils. It is really impossible to define them, as they are not only limited to teaching or guiding students in academics, but also helping them to take the right path. They add value to our character and make us an ideal citizen of the country. Every student tries to imitate their teachers and consider them as a role model. As a student, I cannot thank you enough. Whatever I will say will be less, because no amount of word can suffice how much you all mean to me and all of the students. To the world, you may be just a teacher, but to your students, you are a hero. Let us take time to pay honor and admire all their contribution in elevating us. Thank you all of the teachers for your valuable efforts and guidance. At last, I want to share a poem with all of you. For holding my hand, for picking me up whenever I tripped on my toes, for teaching me things like how, what, and why, for holding me tight when I just have to cry, for playing with me and for discipline too. For all of these things, I am grateful to you. A teacher is known for the lives that they touch. You are making a difference. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today, on the celebration of Teachers' Day, I have been given a great opportunity to represent Vice Principal Samta Changrikar ma'am, and I am very honored to have the opportunity to represent ma'am on this Teachers' Day. She is very helpful towards the students and guide the students towards taking the right path. So thank you ma'am for your influential stories and guidance. Teachers. Teachers are those who guide us in our ups and downs and support our decisions. Every teacher is an angel for the students because they turn the ignorant, uncultivated minds of students to the scholars with the knowledge so surpassing and remarkable. Every teacher has a unique impact on the lives of the students. I believe that the teachers are the pillars of the country. They guide and shape the destiny of students who will be controlling the next generation. And hence, we could say that they are God and goddesses who actually bring the true qualities out of the children. Every child is different, but the teachers sculpt them into a beautiful piece. And it is so because the teachers created by God in such a unique way that no one can take their place. They are tough at sometimes and are sometimes soft-hearted. And these aspects make the teachers different and unique from the rest of the world. So dear teachers, thanks for making us what we are today and for being more than just a teacher, a friend, a guide, an inspiration for making me find myself. And for it, we will always be grateful to you. Wishing all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Good morning, respected Principal Londe sir, Vice Principal Samta ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. As we all know, we are celebrating the Teachers' Day. I would like to speak upon front of you on this occasion. Teachers, I would like to thank every teacher who has been our guiding force during this lockdown. You have not only taught us this year to learn, but have also motivated us during the lockdown. From guiding us to motivate us this year, our respect for teachers worldwide has grown. We know it has been challenging for one of us, but teachers have been our lockdown mentors. These have supported us throughout and helped us cope with online classes and tests. As Teachers' Day is celebrated every year, do you know why this day has been chosen? The day marked as the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna, who is an Indian scholar, and my speech by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's quote, "The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise. Enlightening human beings can be created by teachers." Thank you to all my teachers who have always been our guiding light and support system. Thank you and have a nice day.
Then he told, okay, if you want to celebrate birthday, then it may be the birthday as a Teacher's Day. And on the day that is birth, on 5th September, the day is celebrated. In each and every year, we people are celebrating this day with very huge function, with the great participation of students. And students are becoming teachers for giving them the experience of first profession which he or she can become in his life. Before that, I don't think there is any kind of professional training or professional experience we are giving to the students. And just before 2-3 days, the concept came in my mind that this is the situation, this is the pandemic situation. Due to the threat of coronavirus, students are not able to come into school. Then what is to be done? Then I discussed with the teachers, and the result came that we can do virtual celebration also. And I'm very happy. I observed to many classes that Samta Madam and HM Sir Madam also observed the classes. I observed one chemistry class, physics class, very good. Students were teaching whatever they were having, and the learners were also enjoying the fact. It means we most probably in such kind of pandemic situation also searched an opportunity where the day is celebrated with great zeal, enthusiasm, fervor, and too many things for which we were waiting. After 6 months, we are in a gathering where we are celebrating a day. And last year we were telling that there were too many celebrations. And this year we are counting the celebrations. Dear teachers, I congratulate you once again on this very auspicious, very pious day on which you have shown your talent and given remarkable achievement, and you have given knowledge and enlightened the society for the betterment. The whole world is totally dependent on the guidance of the teachers. That's why, once again, I congratulate you. I give you confidence to strengthen the learning in such kind of pandemic situation. With this, I wish you Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.